Hey guys, Noah Williams Pyrotechnics. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of TNT Fireworks Spirit of America Smoke Assortment. This is the first TNT item I did on this channel, so it's supposed to be good. This is a good one. This costs $50. If you have a Sam's Club near you, you can get some TNT there now. Now there's some smoke things in here, along with some other stuff. We're gonna start off with we got two Smoking Patriot. Okay, so I'll put it right here. Two Smoking Patriot. This is TNT. Three smoke factories. It'll kind of look like this. Has like the free little smokestack, which seems pretty funny. This is a little funny, you know. So this is a good one. Smoke cabinet. So free smoke cones. This is a smoke assortment. So Mighty Smoke, another Mighty Smoke. There's two red Mighty Smokes and one green one. They have the same name here. We got potty poppers, which you have to have these. Then we got one underneath called Booby Trap. Yep. We got a combat smoking grenade. This is a beast. Two boxes of poppets. Another smoke cabinet. One smoke signal. This looks good. This has to be good. All of these fireworks are pretty good. So we got, oh my goodness, we got eight. So that's like 8 party. That's like 16 party things. Then we got 4 packs of poppets. We're like unbelieved with poppets. Well, you should see how many poppets. We got like 6 boxes of these. 6 boxes of poppets. We got a big boy called Steam Engine. The great white. This is a cone smoke item. Mighty Smoke, another green one. Then we got these big boys. Smoke fountain. It's not actually a fountain, so smoke. Smoke cloud fountain. And monster smoke fountain. And we got 2 more. Double Eagle Smoke. And then we got our biggest one. Smoky Smoke. This is everything you will get in this assortment. Please wait for a demo. And cut.